Since 1964, Oberlin Filter has been the authority in coolant filtration. Our pressure filtration technology prolongs the life of coolant, machine tools, and the pumps and ancillary equipment that support them. It will work for you whether you have one machine tool or 100. The Oberlin pressure filter is a proven technology that will clean and extend the life of all the metalworking coolants used throughout your entire facility. Here's how an Oberlin pressure filter works. Typical components include an Oberlin filter, clean and dirty storage tanks, a chiller, clean supply pump, one or more machine tools, a dirty fluid return, and a filter feed pump. The filtering cycle begins by inflating the airbag to raise the lower chamber and form a seal against the upper chamber with filter media sandwiched in between. The inlet valve is opened and dirty coolant is pumped into the upper chamber. Dirt particles are trapped by the filter media and held in the upper chamber. Clean coolant passes through the collected solids and into the lower chamber. Pressure builds within the upper chamber as more and more solids collect, forming a filter cake. Clean coolant flows into the lower chamber and then to the clean storage tank. When the pressure inside the upper chamber reaches a set value, the inlet valve is closed and dirty coolant flow pauses. The drying cycle begins. The cake dry valve is opened and pressurized air is fed into the upper chamber, flushing out any remaining coolant and drying the cake. When the drying cycle has ended, the cake dry valve is closed and the discharge cycle begins. The airbag deflates and the lower chamber separates from the upper chamber. The filter media take-up motor is energized to move and discharge the filter cake. While filtration is paused, clean coolant flows to the machine uninterrupted due to Oberlin's innovative tank design. The process repeats automatically with no operator intervention. In this example, the clean coolant storage tank is on the right and the dirty coolant storage tank is on the left. Dirty coolant flows freely from the machine tool into the dirty storage tank where it's held until it can be filtered. A steady supply of clean coolant is available to the machine tool at all times and is pumped as needed. Oberlin systems are custom engineered to handle the specific demands of each customer's application. Machining, grinding, honing, with oil or water-based coolants. Oberlin filters are the best way to maximize the life of your coolant and keep your machine tools running at their peak performance. Oberlin pressure filter benefits: extended life of coolant and tooling, fewer reject parts, easy to dispose of dry solids, less coolant thrown out with solids, less coolant needed to replenish, works with oil and water-based metalworking fluids, automatic, minimal operator intervention. Oberlin Filter, the authority in coolant filtration since 1964.